Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play King Jesus on guitar. We will start by learning the three fundamental open chords, G major, C major, and D major. These chords form the backbone of the entire song. Focus on pressing down firmly with your fingertips to ensure each note rings out clearly. Practice transitioning between these shapes slowly at first, building muscle memory for smooth changes. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A common and easy pattern for this song is down, down, up, down, up. Keep your strumming hand relaxed and consistent. Try to maintain a steady rhythm, counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and in your head or out loud. This helps you internalize the timing and ensures a smooth, flowing sound throughout the piece. Understanding the song's structure is key. King Jesus typically follows a verse, chorus, bridge, chorus pattern. When practicing, start at a very slow pace, perhaps at 60 beats per minute on a metronome. This allows your fingers to learn the movements without rushing. Gradually increase the speed as your accuracy and confidence grow, aiming for a consistent performance. Now it's time to put everything together and play the full song. Focus on making your chord changes seamless and keeping that strumming pattern steady. Don't worry if it's not perfect immediately. Consistent practice is what truly makes a difference. Enjoy the process of bringing this beautiful and uplifting song to life on your guitar. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.